Hi, myself Gautam. So I have completed my master's data science program at the GUVI. So it was a really wonderful experience I have gained from that. So basically, I am from a mechanical background. So initially, I was very struggling. So I can't. Initially, I thought very difficult to code like that. I thought. So GUVI made me the codings very simple and easy way to understand the things. So my mentor is Mr. Sabrinath sir and Mr. Kaushik. So they both taught the Python and machine learning in an easy way. So they have clarified each and every doubt from Python and machine learning. So it was a very good experience from there. So there are a lot of things in GUI. So the code kata and the capstone project, which made me to practice the coding and implement that Python and capstone projects are really helped me a lot. Uh, so it has very good experience in GUVI. So that's all.